That's the smell of the shattered hopes and dreams of WD-40. Froze cock stiff. Normally, you'd stand around with your buddies and cluck for a little bit and then escalate it to tentatively tappering on it. The problem is steel oxide has a higher packing factor than the basic steel. So what you get is, as it oxidizes, it expands, and because it's constrained within this socket, this is a trailer hitch, it essentially welds itself on there like they weld that's how train wheels get put on. They're interference press fit, and those don't ever fly off. You can see here we have a interference press fit due to oxide, and without getting out Terry the torch, we'll just step right into it and get into the hydraulics. Do some of my best work single-handed in the dark. A little force on her. We pushed on that side a little bit. We'll swap her around, push on this side. That's amazing. Probably a couple ton there. Just gonna move back a little bit. Wow. We're slowly escalating at the heat and beat stage. It's always the last thing you try what works. Funny about that. Little heat shield. Little visit from our old friend Terry the torch. Come on, you piece of shit. Nearly 10 ton. Retooled. I'm in there with a different ram. Just a little bit tighter. Yeah, fuck. That thing is in there good. Look at that bolt bend. Through the scrap bucket to see what the Empire dirt doth provided. Get that clamp down. Yeah. Kind of ineffectually swiping at it with my purse here. I'm gonna have to put you down in order to give her a proper twack. Let me put you on the tailgate there. Yeah, that ain't gonna work. Just close your eyes. This won't take but a minute. Yeah, 2 strokes. 2 strokes and we'll know. Oh, that ain't going fucking nowheres. Rumor has it, this is how the Duke Law got his nickname. Saw this in a training video. Might have been a what not to do safety training video. They likely make these receiver hitches in factories every day. And if you were to poke your head underneath, I bet you there'd be 2 or 4 fair to middling sized bolts on there, with just on thread. We'll never know. We were missing something there. Coat hanger say, nay. Copco scrap. Engage your safety squints. We'll be pulling to the one side harder because it's a bigger ram. Ooh, let's go have a look at that. Oh yeah. Fuck. They're bending those bolts. Come on. Give it a little wrap maybe. Fucking solid. Come on, Schwartz. Do it for me. And summer teeth in 3, 2, 1. Ah, we broke something. Ugh. I think went supersonic into a low Earth orbit. I'll push the other side here. Glad I had that Copco strap on there. It's the only good thing to make. Fuck me. Fucking tight. Piece of fucking shit. Ah. That's it. You heard of the handyman secret weapon? Duct tape. Got a light side, a dark side, and it binds the universe together. Here we got a farmer's secret weapon. Shitty welding. You ever see them movies where they got something jammed in the receiver, so they back up a big black pickup truck, try and yard it out? Geez, those things end up taking out a back window. Yeah. Ugh. Getting up there. Let me go get my safety blast shield. Woohoo! Not so fucking tough now, are you? There we go. Proper West Coast Donnybrook there, boys. Easy 6-pack.